Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling. Today I'm going to be putting together 2 side tables for our new apartment. Remember, we moved 3 weeks ago and I'm so happy about it. Now I am painting 2 canvases that I got from Dollar Tree. They are 11 by 14. Those are the hard flat ones. And that's what you're going to need for these. You're going to need one for the top and you're going to need one from the bottom. Also, I have these planks from the Dollar Tree. You know, the ones they put out for the summertime. These ones have the stars on them, and you'll see why I use the one with the stars. And those are going to be the bottom of the side table. As you can see here, I'm putting together the boards 2 at a time so that they can set up and dry. I'm using a combination of wood glue and hot glue. And I'm also using dowels that I got from Dollar Tree to kind of help hold the boards in place, the planks. I did have to cut down 2 of the dowels because they were just a little bit too long. And we need everything to be flush so that these can stand up properly. It took me about 2 days to do this because I needed for the glue to set up. And even when I put these 2 together to make one unit, I still had to let it dry overnight so that it would be sturdy. Here I'm using Gorilla Glue just to make it a little bit more sturdy. The wood glue from Dollar Tree is excellent. Trust me, I love it. And it even sets up faster than the wood glue, the Gorilla Glue. But I decided to use the Gorilla Glue on this one so I can get even a more sturdy hold. You see the tape there is because I was holding it together so that it wouldn't come apart. And again, it took me 2 days. It might not take you that long, but it did me. So as you can see, I'm using one of the 11 by 14 canvas boards, and I'm tracing the bottom of the stand on it to make sure that it's in the right place and I could glue it in the right place. That's the top, and I'm placing that mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm placing that on top per my husband's request. And I'm going to use E6000, and I'm putting on every other part of it. And then I'm going in with the hot glue because I want a permanent hold, but I want an instant hold. So I'm going around doing a little bit of touch-ups on it. And I place the top part up there. But of course I can't see what I'm doing, so I had to turn it over and trace it where I want the stand to sit. I'm trying to make sure it's even. So I'm taking a marker and I'm tracing it, and I'm putting some E6000 on there to give me a permanent hold. And now I'm using the hot glue to give me an instant hold so I can continue with this project. Okay, now these tiles I got from Amazon, and I love these mirrored tiles. What I'm going to say to you, as you'll see in the next clip, is make sure that the tiles are going in the same direction, because I did make a mistake right there and they're not going in the same direction. But hey, it still looks good to me. So I used 3 tiles on each side of the stand, 3 tiles each. And now you can see I'm going through taking off the protective layer so that it won't be dull looking. Then I went and put a tile in each corner of the bottom of the stand just to try to give it some cohesiveness. Now I don't know why right there it's not showing that that side was done, but believe me, I did all 4 sides. As you can see right there, there's my stands. And at the bottom I did put lights in there. It was going a little too fast for you to see that, but I did put lights in there, fairy lights. And you can do that so that, you know, you can light it up at night. And that's the end of this project. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And make sure you subscribe so that when I upload another video, you can see it. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by Lady T's Things That Bling. God bless you.